SG109MAX PRO MAX 4K GPS Drone 5G Wi-Fi FPV HD Camera 5.9. Screen Remote Brushless Motors, Foldable RC Quadcopter. Take flight with the SG109MAX PRO MAX, a high-performance GPS drone equipped with 4K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, and a large 5.9-inch touchscreen remote controller. Engineered for both beginner and advanced pilots, this foldable quadcopter combines smart flying technology, professional-grade imaging, and real-time video for a superior aerial experience. Whether you're creating content, exploring landscapes, or just flying for fun, the SG109MAX PRO MAX is built to perform. 4K Ultra HD camera for stunning aerial footage. Capture crystal clear images and immersive videos with the integrated 4K high-resolution camera. Whether you're filming from a mountain peak or tracking a subject on the beach, the SG109MAX delivers vibrant, stabilized footage for any creative mission. Photo resolution: up to 3840 x 2160. Video resolution: Full HD 1080p, real-time FPV. Adjustable camera angle via controller. Real-time FPV streaming through the built-in 5G Wi-Fi module. 5.9-inch integrated touchscreen remote controller. No need for your phone. The SG109MAX PRO MAX comes with a built-in 5.9 inches HD screen remote controller, so you can see what your drone sees, instantly and in high quality. No extra app or phone required. Touchscreen controls plus physical joysticks. Live video feed displayed in real time. Intuitive UI, suitable for beginners and pros. Perfect for those who want a simplified, all-in-one FPV flying experience. GPS-assisted flight for intelligent and stable navigation. The SG109MAX PRO MAX uses advanced GPS technology to deliver ultra-precise flight behavior, return-to-home safety, and smart tracking capabilities. Auto return to home, RTH, on low battery or signal loss. Waypoint navigation. Tap to fly to specific locations. Orbit mode. Circle around a point of interest automatically. Follow me mode. The drone locks onto you and tracks movement. Stable hovering with altitude hold and optical flow sensors. Enjoy safer, smarter, and smoother flights even in breezy or complex environments. Brushless motor power plus foldable design. Built for performance and portability, the SG109MAX features brushless motors that deliver powerful thrust, quiet operation, and excellent durability. Its foldable arms make it easy to carry, store, or pack for travel. Brushless motors for efficient, stable flights. Wind resistance and stable hovering for professional shots. Portable, compact, and easy to transport. Long flight time plus rechargeable battery. Stay in the air longer with the high-capacity smart battery. Flight time: up to 25 to 28 minutes per charge. Charging time: approximately 3 hours. Battery monitoring system ensures safety and longer lifespan. What's in the box? 1 SG109MAX PRO MAX drone. 1 5.9-inch screen remote controller. 1 high-capacity battery. 1 USB charging cable. 4 spare propellers. 1 screwdriver. 1 user manual. 1 carrying case, optional in bundles. Key features summary: 4K HD camera with FPV 5G Wi-Fi. Built-in 5.9 touchscreen controller. GPS plus optical flow positioning. Smart flight modes: follow me, orbit, waypoints. Long flight time with brushless motor power. Foldable, travel-friendly design. Ideal for aerial photography, videography, and FPV fun.